We've got a great recipe for your Thanksgiving morning breakfast. Our favorite chef, Fred Terranova, Classic Cooking, is here with.
How are you? This is great. This is a cranberry breakfast bread pudding. Now this is really delicious because what the great thing about this may look heavy, but in all purposes, what happens, people don't eat lunch until between 2 and 4.
Right.
I don't think anybody has Thanksgiving dinner at 11 o'clock in the morning. No. So this is rich. Now, the great thing about it, you can make this the day before, but don't bake it because your kitchen's going to be in turmoil the day before anyway. Right. So what's another little organizational trip? All right, we have some eggs and some egg yolks in a bowl. We're going to move in with some brown sugar, and we're going to get some flavoring in here. This is orange zest. And the reason why it looks liquid is because it has a little dab of almond extract. Ooh. Fresh nutmeg, clove, and a pinch of salt. Now here comes the fun part. Milk and heavy cream. Just a little bit, no big deal. Okay, we're going to mix this all up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take, now this is brioche. Mm-hmm. You know, years ago you had to go to a specialty store to get brioche, or you can use challah. Right. And the thing about this, you have to cut it, put it in an oven, and let it get dry. So these are not really crispy. I mean, they're just dry. They're not toasted. And then they go. Ah. Now you got to let these stay in here for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Move them around in this liquid. Then we're going to pop in some fresh cranberries. Bake it in the oven. Then we serve this with a little bit of our own good old local Rhode Island maple syrup. And this is really, just be careful. I just took it out a couple of minutes ago, so it might be just a little toasty.
Love it. It looks very festive.
It is. Watch out for the drips.
Mmm. That is good.
It's got a nice flavor. Yeah, it's got that. It's got the tartness in the cranberry.
But sweet, yeah.
You can pick up the orange because cranberry and orange are synonymous, especially with Thanksgiving. So, and it works out really, really wonderful. But as you can see, you can leave it like this in the bowl. Put the cranberries in, just pop it in the refrigerator. Next day, let it rot, let it go.
Oh my God, this is so yummy.
Yep.
What do we call it?
Cranberry breakfast bread pudding.
Let's be on our website.
Turn10.com.
See you next week.
And we'll be here.